Making the most of your GMAT breaks. Master time management. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the GMAT and specifically, how you can manage your time better by using breaks effectively. We all know that taking a test can be stressful, but with the right strategies, you can maximize every second to your advantage. The GMAT exam structure gives you 2 optional 8-minute breaks, one after the integrated reasoning section and another after the quantitative section. These breaks might seem short, but when used correctly, they can be a goldmine of relaxation and rejuvenation. Stretch your legs. A few minutes of light stretching can re-energize your body and mind. Focus especially on your neck, shoulders, and back, as these areas tend to tense up during the test. Hydrate. Drink some water, but not too much to avoid frequent bathroom breaks. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, so it's essential to maintain a balance. Snack smartly. A light snack, like a protein bar or a piece of fruit, can boost your energy levels. Avoid heavy or greasy food that might make you feel sluggish. Deep breaths. Taking a few deep breaths can help in calming your nerves and clearing your mind. It helps oxygenate the brain, which can improve focus. Visualize success. Take a moment to remind yourself why you're taking the GMAT. Visualizing your end goals can be a great motivator. Avoid overthinking. Do not dwell on the sections you've already completed. Focus on the present moment and the sections ahead. Glance over your strategies. Without stressing, lightly remind yourself of the strategies you plan to employ in the upcoming sections. Adjust your watch. Ensure that your watch, if you're wearing one, is set correctly, so you're aware of the time when you start the next section. Stay positive. Remember, every section is a new opportunity. Approach each with a fresh mindset and optimism. And there we have it. The GMAT, like many challenges in life, isn't just about knowledge but how you manage your time and resources. We hope these break strategies help you stay refreshed and at your best during the test. Best of luck, and remember, every second counts.